You can have the ultimate rest every day, just steps away, with a therapeutic, award-winning designed Royal Spa. Our smart customers chose to invest a bit more in a Royal Spa because in the long run, a Royal Spa costs less to own than a cheap hot tub that looked like a good deal. The easily adjustable controls provides a focused therapy system for every member of your household. This means that each person can tailor their spa seat to meet their specific needs from head to toe. And a Royal Spa is designed to do what no other spa can do: enhance the water with natural nutrients and minerals that relieve soreness and inflammation. Therapeutic, custom designed, reliable performance, virtually zero maintenance. You deserve a Royal Spa.